This is Sony's new Bravia Full Array LED 4K HDR TV, the XH90. Available in 55, 65, 75 and 85-inch screen sizes, it features a full array LED backlight with extended dynamic range, 4K HDR processor X1 and X-Motion clarity. Conventional LED TVs use just one row of LEDs to light the panel. The XH90 uses Sony's full array LED, previously only found on our higher end models. Full array LED places more LEDs across the whole screen, our extended dynamic range controlling each LED zone in real time. Dark areas are more defined and bright areas more vibrant for a dynamic, accurate picture. The 4K HDR processor X1 ensures supreme quality on the XH90 using our object-based HDR remaster technology. X-Motion clarity keeps fast action smooth and clear, moving images precisely controlled to minimize blur. Even during high-speed scenes, pictures stay true with no loss in brightness. Netflix calibrated mode, Dolby Vision and Atmos, and Sony's own custom picture mode setting, co-developed with Sony Pictures, are all included. So you experience films, TV shows and games with the color contrast and motion the creator intended. Our acoustic multi-audio provides the cinematic sound from picture experience, and our X-Balance speaker features, for the very first time, sound positioning tweeters towards the top of the TV on each side, combined with full-range speakers at the bottom to simulate sound coming from the screen, like what you experience in the cinema. Our brand new X-Balance speaker ensures sound clarity and minimizes distortion. And newly designed speaker boxes provide more lower frequency tones for rich sound quality. Finished in Sony's signature premium aluminium frame, you'll be absorbed in entertainment without distraction. And finally, with a high-performance chipset, Sony's Android TV gives you fast, effortless access to all your favorite content. A microphone is built into the remote control, and with Google Assistant, you can find new entertainment and control your TV and your smart home using your voice. Explore over 5,000 apps available from the Google Play Store using Google Chromecast or Apple AirPlay to cast from your iPhone, iPad, Android device or laptop straight to the XH90.